siku moja, kuna corruption mingi sana.
Arita njira imwe ya kurigiriria gutherema kwa murimu wa kuharwo gatema kaunti-ini ya Mombatha, thirikari ya kaunti ni yathanite kuigwo kwa biashara cia wendia wa irio na mai iria itari na marua kuma kuri ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri hari uhuri wa biashara ici. Uu ni kurumirira gikuo kia andu eri na angi 88 gukoma thibitari thutha wa kunyitwo ni murimu wa kuharwo gatema uria urehagwo ni giko, irio kana mai matari matheru. Kuringana na Hazel Koitamba, uria ni mumemba wa kamiti ya ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ya Mombatha, oigite kuongerereka gwa ciara cia takataka na kwaga mitaro ya guthereria mai ma giko tauni-ini ya Mombatha ni mamwe ma maria macungiriirie gututhuka kwa murimu uyu.
For us as a county government, our priority is to ensure that our public or residents are safe. And since this is a communicable disease, we have to ensure that the transmission is reduced fully. Maafitha
a ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ya Mombatha ni matanyitwo gutabania firigisheni ya gutigirira biashara iria itari na marua ni ciahingwo kuma muthenya wa rucio na nginyanagia na riu no andu agima monekanite na murimu uyu.
We are urging members of the public to continue to be safe in terms of ensuring that the water they drink or the food they eat is actually clean and from a licensed vendor or a hotel. And we are also asking those who are bringing the patients to the hospitals to ensure that the vehicle they bring the patients in is sanitized at our facilities.
Thirikari nene ya kaunti ya Mombatha ni hingurite ceceni cia motungata ma hinahi ma murimu uyu thiini wa icigo bunge 6 kaunti-ini ya Mombatha, na oho thibitari ya Mwembe tayari iria ikoretwo ihingitwo ni kuhingurwo niguo guthaitira murimu uyu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV mutamburuko wa mohoro, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Gathugu.